Hi, this is Teacher Rahel and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay, still we are on addition of integers. So let us try to recall first the rules in adding integers. So if it is similar or like signs, you have to add and copy the common sign. If it is dissimilar or unlike sign, you are going to subtract and copy the sign of the larger absolute value. For example, in 1 to 6, we have here an examples of addition of integers. Why addition? Because we have here the plus sign between the two integers. Take note of this plus sign. So we have here the plus sign. So if let us try to recall on the rules that if it is like sign, you are going to add. So 10 plus 12, this is like sign, so you are going to add. That is 12. Then copy the common sign. So the common sign here is positive. So that is positive 22. How about negative 3 and negative 5? Still, it is like sign. So you are going to add and copy the common sign. That is a negative 8. For number 3, we have negative 12 plus 18. So since this is unlike sign, so you are going to subtract. Then copy the sign of the largest absolute value. So since 18 has a bigger absolute value than a negative 12, so therefore that is a 6, positive 6. So 30, negative 30 plus 25, still unlike signs, you're going to subtract. Now, since this negative 30 has a bigger absolute value, so the result is negative 5. Now, 25 plus negative 13, still unlike sign, but the sign is positive because the 25 is bigger absolute value than a negative 13. So the result is 12. Number 6, still we are going to subtract because it is unlike sign. The sign is negative because negative 40 is a bigger absolute value. Now, suppose you are going to add uh, 2 or more integers. That's why, for example, you have negative 3 plus negative 6 plus 4. This time we are going to add the same sign first. Negative 3 plus negative 6, that is negative 9, added by 4. So that is unlike sign. So I'm going to subtract, then copy the sign of the largest absolute value. So the answer is negative 5. The same also with number 8. So you are going to add first negative 2 and negative 2. That is negative 4 plus 3. That is a negative 1. Now, for how about number 9? In number 9, so we will not use the process that we in number 7 and number 8. This time, what have you noticed on the negative 4 and positive 4? Take note that a negative 4 and positive 4, these are opposites. So take note, when you add opposites, the result is 0. So just simply eliminate negative 4 and positive 4. So that is 0. Then the answer is negative 8. Okay. So how about number 10? So still the same process, a negative 12 and negative 16. You are going to add this first, that is negative 28, then 14 plus 14, that is 28. Since this is opposite, so we are going that this result is 0. And 10 plus negative 30 plus 40 plus 6, so you are going to add the positive first, then 46, that is 56, then added by a negative 30, so that is unlike sign, so you are going to subtract. Then copy the sign of the largest absolute value, that is positive 26.
Once again, this is Teacher Verhel. Thank you and may God bless us all.